Multiply 8 by 33.3 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 3. 3 times 8 is 24. The first partial product is 24. Now use the next digit to the left, 3. Start one place to the left. 3 times 8 is 24. The second partial product is 240. Now use the next digit to the left, 3. Start two places to the left. 3 times 8 is 24. The third partial product is 2,400. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 4 plus 0 is 4. In the tens column, 2 plus 4 plus 0 is 6. In the hundreds column, 2 plus 4 is 6. In the thousands column, bring down 2. The product of the whole numbers is 2,664. Count the highlighted digit after each decimal point. The factors have one decimal place altogether, so the product needs one decimal place. Place the decimal point one place from the right. 2,664 becomes 266.4. So 8 times 33.3 is 266.4.